the whole time the engines is going off, we're gonna have the crowd going crazy. The drone is up in the sky. We're on the IG Live, and this is gonna be our dedication to our brother. Do y'all got us covered?
Who you rolling with?
Yep, once again, Jared is doing what Jared always does. Same position with the same bottle of quick detail every time. Hey, McGuire's, y'all need to sponsor Jared. That is the only product that he would clean his car with. Yes, McGuire's quick detailing. Sponsor my man at Daily Driven Celine.
You ready for this?
Boy, you look like a party animal, boy.
Party ain't started.
It ain't started yet, baby. There go Big Z.
What up?
Just making it down here to West Palm.
Yes, sir. Fuel Fest tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
2023.
Get ready for some shenanigans, because it's going to happen. Thanks for joining us this morning, TK.
Hey, we're back.
Good morning, good sir. Good morning.
Fuel Fest a year ago.
Right? We back.
Ago.
We back.
We back again.
We back again, baby.
Let's clear the hierarchy, the ring, and that. We got music, whatever. There you go.
Y'all see what they say? 1 year ago, West Palm Beach, baby. Yeah.
Again.
We consistent. Stop playing with us. Jared's tired of waiting. He said Team A.K.O.M always shows up fashionably late. We never get anywhere on time. And you gotta leave that sucker off. The Hell Kitty, baby. That's that big 6'2". That's 6'2". They checking everybody's cars. That's what's taking so long. Look, everybody. Everybody doing the same thing. Cars galore, baby.
Hold on. Let me help you clean your car.
Hey, you better get them itty bitty booty cheeks off my car, boy. What you... Get them itty bitty booty cheeks off my car, boy.
You know we always clouding.
Right?
You know we always clouding.
Fuel Fest 2023, baby. Yeah, Big Z. Yeah. We appreciate everything you do, bro. You're one of the people, you work hard. We'll never have to ask you to do nothing. You always represent Team A.K.O.M the way it's supposed to be, bro.
Yeah.
So now, you're about to be the man. You can build your team however you want to.
Your own chapter.
Vice president, you got your own chapter. Just give me the information so I know who you got on your side or whatnot. But so far as that, bro, you're the man. Team A.K.O.M Southeast Chapter President, baby. Presidente. Who you rolling with? You got Hellray A.K.O.M on the bottom.
But
bro.
just remember, you set
All
the
day
example.
long, brother.
You
set the example. So now they're gonna follow your example.
Maybe I should tell him.
What? You did what?
Don't get that on camera too. I'm just playing.
Stop
recording, Jazz.
Nothing else bang harder as the funk does.
go 643. That's Ken's number. At 647, that was Paul's favorite number. I want everybody could hear me. Every car out there. All the car show cars, all the drift cars, everybody, we're going to do a rev up. I want to hear limiter slap at 647. If you can hear me, we're going to rev up so that they can hear us up there. Very close to that. 643.
I'm here to confirm to y'all. 47, listen to what he said. 47 was Paul Walker's number, his favorite number. Everywhere, every car, any license plate he can get the number 47 on, he had it. 47 is Paul's favorite number. So at 647, we're going to have a moment for our brother.
We are. We miss them dearly. Give it up for Paul and Ken.
So what's going to happen at 647? If you got a car out here, everybody is going to turn their cars on. No one's moving, and they're going to rev their engines loud as hell for a whole minute for our brother Paul Walker. And the whole time the engines is going off, we're going to have the crowd going crazy. The drone is up in the sky. We're on the IG Live, and this is going to be our dedication to our brother. Do y'all got us covered? 647. Who's got the time?
643 right now.
I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that